Hello everyone, today I'm going to explore the Orchard Gateway Mall right here in Orchard Road. So let's have a look. It looks very colorful the mall. Let's go in. It's a weekday, Monday, 5 minutes past 8 p.m. Wow, I like the colors. Chagi. Lots of Singaporeans love to drink the tea from here. Very comfortable space. And you know, in the whole Singapore, right? I think only this mall has these colorful tiles. There's running colors and lights below. Wow, basement 2 is a real food paradise. Basement 1 is just an appetizer. And lots of like little restaurants here. It's a whole stretch, man. Don Donki. And they're ready to the MRT. Japan Mobile Foods. What's this, man? Oh, it's a rice. But do people buy rice here and then go home and cook? You can actually buy your Don Donki stuff, food, and then eat here. And guess what? This one actually linked to a center point. Wow, now. In front is a famous Youqi frozen yogurt and achai. Over 50 customers queuing right now. It's insane, man. The time is 8:30. And after buying, right, some customers will sit at the bench and eat. Molly tea, I think it's a new one. Hey, there's a queue again. You know Singaporeans love to queue, right? Molly tea. Oh, it looks nice. I think Molly tea is a new tea shop, you know, at the queue. And look at that. There's some kind of lake statues. Walao. So I just checked. Molly tea is open like 2 days only. And this is the menu. Okay lah, about $5 to $6 for the menu. Not very sweet, 7% sugar. Chan Su Su, 1994, decent shop. Here are some of the menus. Mango sago. There's a big Under Armour shop right here, man. It's a pizza shop called North Pizza. Jianghu hot pot and a mala tang. Alright, level 2. There are some nice ORRO. The R is inverted. Reverse. Go Sports, the skate shops. Wait. They sell a lot of skates and the gear as well, the helmets. It's all here. Wait, look at the top, man. This place is huge, man. There's another section on level 2. Wow, you can see the crowd from here. Oh man. The Tinsel Rack. Hey, there's a restaurant here. Modern Peranakan Cuisine. And this is the menu. Sambal Kuteh and curry chili. Oh, that's a lot of wine. Too bad actually I don't drink. And I don't smoke as well. A lot of women's clothes here. The name is Press or something. Press. Really, the shop name is called Press. Very colorful. I think this suits the women from 20 to 30. Although even younger you can wear. Things I love or something. Wow. I wonder why they have the tables. Is it to teach them some stuff? I'm in. Wow. The shop name is I'm in. Lingerie. Soleil Studios. That's special. The door to the MRT. The gantry. But actually it's a photo booth. It's actually a photo booth. Hey, we are going to level 3 later. Look at the tube. So colorful. There's some kind of escape room here. It looks scary. Actually, it's a kind of game. But you have to pay to go in. 关你密室啊，关你密室呢。Oh, there's a 网鱼电景。Some kind of IT shop, is it? I think gaming. Oh, they even sell the keyboard and stuff. Gamers, last time, where is it? Park Lim Mall also have. But that's far, Dhoby Ghaut. Not far from Orchard. Yeah, I like their branding. Very like artistic, man. I was just excited what's the level 3. Oh, Tube, Space and Library. There's a library here, is it? Let's check out library first. Oh wait, I think the Tube is behind. Check it out, man. The Tube reminds me of YouTube. And by the way, there's a ceramic tube here. Oh, I can smell the paint. I tried it once when I was in Vietnam. It's not so easy as people thought. I mean, you can do it, the pottery, but whether it turns out nice is another story. And look at all the equipment. Wow, that's a cat, right? I hope your bird doesn't find me. Your email. Wow. Surprising there's dentist at Orchard. Here we have reached the view, the YouTube gallery. No the tube. Hey, there are lights on top. Blue one. And here there are some more LED fluorescent lights. But I remember the last time I came, last week, right? The lights will change color. No? Maybe because today is a weekday, no colors. From here, the view of Decathlon and Peranakan Place. Okay, not bad. Work, study. PlayStation 5. Wow, a lot of murals. Like the Apple. $2.80. Hey, there's a billiard pool game center right here. Korean karaoke, PlayStation 5, board games and around here. Wow, there's a cute shop called Soap something. Soap Ministry. Oh, it's all about soap. Wow, seriously. Very special because even though it's closed, right? I don't really smell the soap, but normally it's like the door is locked, not this way. It should be like something else, not a grill. The library is in front. Hands-on clay. Medical aesthetic, slimming and more. I guess this is a quite quiet place. I mean corner, right? So people find okay just come for the aesthetic stuff. It's more privacy. I wonder what's the library. They say it's just in front, but I don't see anything here. It's funny. And more shops are coming, man. Around left and right side. Oh, look at the model of the Orchard Gateway. It seems the library is on the 4th floor. And level 5 to 8 is car park and basement 1 links to MRT. Oh, very atas long escalator. I don't know what's up, but I will explore later. Simba. Hey, there are so many like toy machine here. Catch claw. Sequan Gongfang. I don't wonder what's this, man. Some kind of clothes. They are setting up. How they get good profits. Oh, I like these stone shaped benches. It's a shop called MBCB, nothing but cheeseburger. Conformity. Wow, this shoes looks nice. You know, just now was at the thrift shop in 313 Somerset basement. Wow, those stuff cost expensive. Cost a bomb, not a bomb, but then it's like for a pair of shoes, right? $300. It's second hand, you know. Hey, this shop looks interesting. Three little girls. But nobody. Better Catch, Classic Fish and Chip. It looks like the Long John Silver competitor is here. And there's a shop called Rachel Shop. Socks for sale. Very cute, All the stuff here. Oh, look at the sock. It's sold like from the House of Kawata. A restaurant called Tanuki from Japan. And then there's a luxury shops here. They sell the branded stuff. And the name is Love Lots. Wow, this sitting area, especially a box. Oblique Eyewear. What a good name, Oblique. You know, in med school we learn triangular shape, oblique shape, circle shape, square, triangle. This is oblique, man. And from here you can see level 3. You know, the level 5, this should be one of the longest escalator in the new mall. I was exploring a lot of old malls recently in Singapore, and it's just half the size, or it's like 1/3, only enough for one person to pass through. The old malls built in 1970s, like City Plaza, Singapore Shopping Centre, and much more. Hey, the karaoke right here, K-Star. Look at the mic, man. It's humongous. Overworld Lava Prize List. There's a game right here. You can play. Hey, what kind of room is this, man? It looks so futuristic. There's another shop here called Amy Edited. They sell some portrait items, but how come they're labeled this way? Are they for sale or not for sale? Maybe they have a class and then the students, they do this. And this shop is so big. It's look at that, man. Oh, they're having some lessons. Oh, this is a price. One person quick shot 1 hour. I didn't know there's a karaoke here, the top floor. It's really nice. Sandbox VR. Wow, VR game. Very futuristic, man, this area. So right here, another aesthetic company, and then the Pilates. At level 6, there's a Korean kimchi dining restaurant here. And look at the Amy Pottery. Oh, where's this? The Music Academy. Wow. And there's a boxing, no? Evolve. They're sparring. The flower shop here. Fresh flower 188, 192. Oh, that's quite expensive, very expensive. But then if you are like giving to someone that really like, or some special days and you want it fast, they can come, no problem. Doctor Stretch, some kind of medical stuff. Stretching to help your body. And they make South Fitness a gym here. Hey, look at all these Teletubbies. Mostly the youngsters below 30. Let's see any view here. Wow. This is a rooftop, I suppose. Can you see Singapore? K-Cook, BBQ buffet. What view do we get here, man? Hey, lots of private house over that side. Center Point. It's still Orchard area basically. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the cars, man. They look like little dogs now. There is Wisma Atria and Takashimaya outside already. Hilton Hotel. Then we also have Dancing Crab right here, level 7, the tallest level in Orchard Central, and Ramen. Going to the basement first to check out what's in store. In the basement, there's a Hunan Homestyle Cuisine, Nonggenji. I think there's nothing more, but look at the spice. A Mexican kitchen called Guzman y Guzman. And last time, a few months ago, they opened a Youqi frozen yogurt. It was like super crowded at the first opening day. And on the right side, a Four Fingers crispy chicken, Uniqlo, and some local shops. Local stuff, I mean. It seems that there's another section on basement 1. So this shop very big called Hands. And Soft Spectacle Shop, Tempura Restaurant. Wow, look at all this, man. The matcha. There's a matcha house here. Oh, there's a Don Don Donkey 24 hours in front. Taking the lift, it's quite fast. And we arrived at the basement 2. We're back to Don Don Donkey. We enjoyed the walking tour of Orchard Central, Orchard Gateway, right? So leave a like, subscribe and share the video so that more people can find it. Thanks very much. Find the video right here, man. So take care everyone and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.